You can test whether a sealant has fully cured by using simple tactile and timing checks that match the product instructions. Press lightly on the sealant surface with a clean fingertip or the pad of your thumb to check for a firm but slightly flexible feel. A cured silicone will resist deformation and not feel tacky, while urethane may be firmer and still have slight give. Smell can be a clue, but only use it as a secondary cue because some sealants off-gas for a long time and others are low odor. If the strong solvent smell has dissipated, that is a good sign, but not definitive. Use the product label as the authoritative guide because manufacturers provide cure schedules that specify surface cure and full cure times, which can differ by thickness, temperature, and humidity. For thicker beads allow extra time since cure proceeds from the surface inward and internal layers can remain uncured for days when applied heavily. If you need to finish over the sealant such as painting or applying trim, check the label for paintable status and the recommended weight, and if in doubt, perform a cross test on a scrap piece or a concealed area to confirm adhesion and appearance. Keep ambient conditions optimal by maintaining moderate temperature and higher humidity for room temperature vulcanizing silicones and stable, warm, dry conditions for 1-part polyurethanes. Common mistakes include assuming surface tack equals full cure, which can lead to trapped uncured material under paint or adhesive. Avoid this by testing firmness and waiting the full manufacturer stated time before finishing. Another issue is applying too thick a bead, which leaves an uncured core. Prevent that by tooling to a uniform thickness and using backer rod to limit depth where joints are deep. A third problem is curing in cold or dry conditions that slow or stop the chemical cure process. Mitigate by increasing ambient temperature or humidity when appropriate or delay work until the environment meets the product recommended range. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and learn practical post-repair inspection tips like sealant cure checks. We host a discussion community where members and professionals share experiences and ask questions, and we help contractors find new work by making their services visible to nearby homeowners.